Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 11th June. Some of the important events happened on this day in history which all of us must know. So let's have a look at those events happened on this day in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. So don't wait for tomorrow what you can do today so that you never have to repent in future. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which Indian revolutionary born on this day in 1897 was associated with Kakori conspiracy of 1925 who got inspiration from Swami Dayanand Saraswati's book Satyarth Prakash and immortalized the patriotic song Sarfarosi Ki Tamanna? Answer: Ram Prasad Bismil. He had immortalized the song Sarfarosi Ki Tamanna. The song is like this: सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. Autobiography of Ram Prasad Bismil was published under cover title of Kakori Ke Shahid by Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi. Question number 2. Which Indian dancer and choreographer born on this day in 1937 is the founder director of Nalanda Dance Research Center and was also founder principal of Nalanda Nitya Kala Mahavidyalaya? Answer: Kanak Rele. Question number 3. According to wishes of which Prime Minister of India, his bone ashes were scattered all over the country on this day in 1964? He is none other than our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 4. Which year on this day Allahabad High Court was established? Answer: 1986. Earlier, the High Court was in Agra. Question number 5. Which Indian swimmer died on this day in 1997 was the first Indian to conquer English Channel? Answer: Mihir Sen. Question number 6. Which year on this day Battle of Jargev under the 100 Years' War was started? Answer: 1429. Question number 7. Which American inventor invented Franklin stove on this day in 1742? Answer: Benjamin Franklin. He had done the kite experiment and demonstrated the relation between lightning and electricity, which lead to invention of electricity. Question number 8. Which British explorer discovered the Great Barrier Reefs of Australia on this day in 1770? Answer: Captain James Cook. Question number 9. Which American engineer telecasted FM radio on this day in 1935? Answer: Edwin Armstrong. Question number 10. What is the name of the first film studio of Australia set up on this day in 1892? Answer: Limelight Department. Question number 11. Which year on this day, Second Sino-Japanese War, the Battle of Wuhan was started? Answer 1938. Question number 12. Which year on this day, the Pennsylvania Justice Department approved a ruling that allowed women to get license for boxing and wrestling? Answer 1973. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.